Hi guys, my name is Warren. Please like and subscribe.
Hey guys, I'm Cool Gamer, and today we're gonna play this game called Vacation Boy. I don't know what is this. Everybody says, "Oh no, this is scary flight," but I was like, "No way! This is just a flight, right? What's the problem?" Okay, I'm just gonna sit down. I'm gonna just sit down and yeah. Let me find my chair. Let me just do something else while because I'm anyway I'm not. Oh, and most important, enjoy your flight.
Come on. Let me sit.
Excuse me, guys. I'm sorry about that hiccup. It's okay. I have a cold. Let me just talk to Warren. Hi.
Hi. I'm so.
Come on, lady. Go. Come on, go.
You know all of this airplane. The airplane looks like blue.
Yeah, that is actually true.
Cause I'm blue gamer.
Aw, I'm Cool Gamer.
It's okay, right? Cool.
Anyway, cool is blue. So anyway, I can choose any color because I'm Cool Gamer.
Why not cool gamer?
I'm. We're not laughing on each other, bro. This is actually. I'm looking at the. Look at the window. Look at the window. Wait. Let's go. Come on, sit in. Why is it? Oh yeah, sure.
Taking up to the space of the moon. I was enjoying the moon.
Oh, where's okay, then we're going. Come on. Oh, guys, now we can jump off our seats.
It's finally, all of these years, I can finally go out and play with
Free to get out of your seats and explore. Explore.
explore the John Cena place. Okay, now we're going to look at the moon.
Yeah, let's just check because I heard people there's something sus, but and then they just left the game and there's never told them actually.
Yeah, so let's check it out.
Oh, I'm at the seat. What are you coming?
What? The lights are flickering.
What? No. Let's see what he says.
Letters.
Ladies and gentlemen, it seems that we have an unexpected power outage. I'm freaking terrified.
I'm so terrified.
Please do remain calm. No, I won't remain calm. There's a little something like snakes, I think. Or sure.
Mr. John.
Or maybe a Lego hut that just floats in.
Hey, yo, what the? Okay, oh, I'm.
Hey, yo! Oh my god, what is that on the... No.
John Cena's monster. Run. And then.
Oh my god. Guys.
Die.
Oh my god, I'm so scared right now. Oh, I just saw the monster. The red light. Teleport us. I'm in a dark room. Come on, Lord. Oh no, it's teleporting. Come on, run. I have 100 health left. It's okay. I'm fine.
I'm running.
The attendants, I just got past it.
Look at your
And you bark at your asshole, okay? And then, oh, it's teleporting. Get in.
I am going to sit in a matter what I do. My seat is the safety.
Sorry about that. There's a monster on control of me. Dum. We're going to be serving some pizza. Yummy.
Ooh, no.
And bros, I don't care about your smiley face.
There was a
dot dot.
Be silly.
Don't be silly, you're dumb dumb. You're a silly. Yeah, I just ran past you.
Asshole. Sorry.
Yeah.
I have a big you burger your asshole.
Yeah, Burger, ask somebody find a mirror. And do not kiss my face. Last time, you like, hey yo, you kissed my
I kissed her butt.
face. You're gay.
No. I'm saying I'm going to kiss Popeye. John Cena is going to come soon. So,
Guys, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down. Dot, dot, dot. We would like to ask. I'm gonna play video games all day long because I just want to play video games all day long, yeah? Yeah, boy. I play video games.
oh my God, what happened? It's sinking to the moon.
Oh, it's shaking. It is shaking heavily.
Oh my gosh, what?
Oh no. No. Please, please, no.
Oh my God.
Let's just on fire. I was at the last level. I was at the I'm ready. Let's go. I don't think anybody else is alive. Only us.
He fainted. Oh my God, did it poison the water? Quick, everybody, on the wing.
No! Somebody died in the water! I have 96 health. You can see
Looks like we have to cross to the main. I hope you don't die to John Cena.
Girl, do not die. If you die, I'll kill your nuts.
Wait,
You're not dead. Dot, dot, dot. What is going on? What's the noise?
go back to my room. Shark! Who cares if there's
Shark! Hey, look, we're drifting towards an island.
It's too easy for me.
There's the shark!
John Cena, I'm going to jump on it. Maybe. If it looks like friend, I'm going to eat these nuts. No! Friend! Do like me, John Cena!
And if he dies, if a ward dies, I'll eat shark food from my thing. Yeah. Yeah.
I have sushi plus.
Oh, yeah, we're almost going to the island.
Yeah. Let's go.
No, no, no! You bad shark, I'll step on your face.
I already see.
Hiya! Oh, that actually hurts.
Our door.
Pew! We made it.
I'm running to the moonlight. I'm running to John Cena. I don't know. I just don't know. This is a log.
Yeah, I found that already before you did, and yeah.
Wait. This
Oh, I'm on top of the trees, and I fall down. after he started playing this game, he just got missing and he never ever came back. Creepy, right?
We find something to eat from the
Yeah.
The apple is not poisonous.
Yeah. Let's just start continue eating. Yeah, so some apples.
Okay, guys.
I found some apples for us to eat. I'm eating it. I'm gonna eat it. I'm gonna keep it and eat it. Yum 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 yum. I ate it. I finished it and I ate it.
I didn't eat it. I want to eat now. It's like, wait.
Wait. Not that.
About the monster we saw. Whoa, what is?
What if he's here? Not with us.
Come on. Okay, I finished it. I'm staying here.
Discuss. Yeah, I'm telling you. Right.
It's the monster.
Come on.
Now?
Now.
Ow, what is that?
Oh, rain! Get in the cave. Oh no, there's a thunderstorm.
What are you doing, Mom? You already have in the book.
No, I can't. Just stop. What the heck? Stop. No, it crushed. Oh no.
I'm so scared.
The cave collapsed.
I'm so scared.
Let's get out before we get crushed. Come on, jump.
Oh, I died.
Huh? No! Now I have to guess I do it alone. Jump.